Everybody, we're at 8084 Bosco Bay in Las Vegas. This property has 5 bedrooms. It has 4 bathrooms and it's 3964 square feet.
One of my favorite things about this home is that it's got a large entertaining area inside as well as in the backyard, and it has a big pantry. You got to check it out.
And a little bit later, Shelly's going to go over the payment, so we're going to go ahead and jump right in and enjoy. We are kind of in the upper southwest part of Las Vegas. Here's the neighborhood, quiet neighborhood. We are in the upper southwest part of Vegas. Over here, it has a walking path, dog bags to walk your dogs. And here's the house, 8084 Bosco Bay, Las Vegas, Nevada. 3-car garage. Beautiful tree. Landscaping is nice. It's desert landscaping throughout this whole community. This community is gated. And here is the side part of the house where the door is. And I'm going to take you guys inside. Tankless water heater.
All right, so let's jump into the payment scenarios for this home. So I'm going to share with you two different scenarios. The first is going to be a 5% down payment. And with that, that's going to bring your loan amount to $721,905. Based on an interest rate at 7%, that's going to put your total monthly payment, which includes all your taxes, insurance, and the $72 HOA at $5,788. And with a down payment of 5% at just under $38,000 and your closing costs, the total cash to close is going to be around $53,000. If we take a look at our second scenario, which is a 20% down payment, that 20% is going to bring your loan amount to $607,920. Based on that same rate at 7%, your principal and interest, taxes and insurance, and HOA payment is going to be $4,633. And with the down payment amount of $151,980 plus your closing cost, your total cash to close is going to be about $167,000. Now, these are just two different scenarios for you. If you have any other scenarios for this property or any other property, feel free to reach back out to Bobby or myself. Back to you, Bobby.
So I hope you enjoyed this house. I hope you really like that top floor. It's rooftop, has great views. Today is so beautiful too.
This home is located in a gated community. It's got a 3-car garage, and one of the bedrooms is downstairs with a full bathroom.
This property is in Las Vegas. It's close to the Durango Casino. It's also close to about 15 minutes if you like to go hiking at Red Rock. It's really pretty there at this time of year. So let's go ahead and recap. This property has 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms. It does have a rooftop, and it's $759,900. If you guys want to know more about this property or anything else, just reach out to us. Our information's right here. You can call us, text us, email us, however you want to get a hold of us. We're here to help you in any way. And with that said, you guys make it a blessed day.